Hey, hey, my lovely besties. Welcome back to Quiz Slice. All right, so today's game is all about impossible choices in the world of Zootopia 2 that you must make. And there's no backing out once you choose, and every answer says something about you. Don't forget to comment your choices as we go. We're reading them all. Okay now, think fast, trust your gut, and let's jump right in. Round 1. Would you rather choose your anthem first? Would you rather listen to Zoo and go feral or sing Try Everything like you're the main character in your room? Let's pick yourself a dream house. Would you rather choose this Nick dream house or this Judy one? If you couldn't pick, it's all right. There are more houses upcoming. Which Judy outfit vibes would you rather choose? Badge and authority or fashion and drama? Babysitting time. Would you rather babysit Finnick or Judith is the one to choose? Would you rather choose Nick to save or save Judy instead? No pressure or anything, except Zootopia is based on your choice. So, your decision. Let's choose your Zootopia era. Which movie suits your style more? Zootopia 1 or the second movie that just came out? Choose your dream house. Again, mysterious and suspicious or rich and over the top. Which duo are you picking? Brains with courage or brains with absolutely zero cares? Choose wisely. Would you rather be like Jesus or be like Flash, calm and wise, or slow, iconic, and somehow still winning? This choice reveals your soul. Would you rather like, comment, or subscribe? Hit like if you're riding with Nick's sneaky charm. Drop a comment if Gary's adorableness is your vibe. And smash subscribe if Judy's hero energy owns your heart. Would you live in a peaceful carrots farm like Bunny Burrow, or you want to be like Nick and live in wild times? Cold and sweet or huge and legendary? This snack decision between Pawsicles and Big Donut is yours to choose. Another dream house fight pops up. Would you rather choose a house with snacks everywhere like Clawhausers, or rules and orders everywhere like Chief Bogos? Let's pick your career path. Follow the law or question everything. Look at this image closely and tell me, what is the differences between these two images? Did you find it? Tell us in the comments which is different. Slow and calm like flashes, or energetic and lovely like nibbles? Dream house lifestyle check comes up again? Which morning routine here would you rather pick? Floss like your teeth like Judy, or brush like the teeth like Nick? Which funny baby Finnick do you love more? Classic one from the first movie, or the upgraded menace? Would you rather work for Mr. Big or the Linksley family? Either way, good luck to you. Which zoo performance do you like more? Gazelle or Shakira's one? Animated icon or real-life queen? Choose your performer.
Come on, get on up. We're wild and we can't be tamed. Come on, get on up. We're wild and we can't be tamed. And we're turning the floor.
Which music group fits your style the most? The Reptile Band or Gazelle Music Group? Look at these images and pick it yourself. No thinking, just vibes. Protect your partner or take risks together? Play it safe or jump into chaos side by side? Decide. Your last chance to pick a dream house. Right here, right now. Milton Dream House or Jesus' One? Let's rate this Zootopia 2 movie. All of us. How do you feel?
Kiss the second ring right now.
Fire, awesome, all right, boring, or trash? I think it's great. Would you rather eat wood like nibbles or eat worms? I mean, ugh, all yours if you want. couple time. So let's choose your ship. Would it be Judy and Nick or Judy and Paulbert? If you can buy one between these two, which would it be? Anti-venom pen or carrot recording pen? Tiny troublemaker or tiny police girl? Would you rather lose a tooth or grow a tail? Short-term pain and lifelong weirdness. Think carefully. Do you want Nick and Judy to be only friends, or would love seeing them as a couple? You decide. Pick your side, either with the Zebros or the Razorbacks. No explanations. Pick a major for the Zootopia citizen. Would it be Mayor Winddancer or Mayor Lionheart? Which one is creepier than the other? Scary Paulbert or Scary Nick? Aha, this one is interesting. Would you rather work with Clawhauser or Chief Bogo? Snacks and smiles or yelling and rules? Choose it yourself. Let's choose which trio would you rather join. Would it be Nick, Gary, and Judy, or it's Gary, Paulbert, and Judy for you? Lock it in, gang. Can you spot the odd Gary emoji out of these packs without stopping the video? Oh yeah, there he is, the imposter. Stuck in a pipe or drive fast on the road? Stressed and stuck or risky and fast? Pick your danger. Work alone or work in a pair? Solo grind or teamwork chaos? Decide yourself. Would you rather live in Hop's family or Mr. Big family? Oh man, that was intense. You survived the Zootopia 2 Would You Rather challenge. Thanks for playing with us on Quiz Slice. Those choices were not easy at all. If you enjoyed it, hit like, subscribe for more crazy Zootopia quizzes, and comment which choice stressed you out the most. Until next time, stay sharp. See ya.